Okay, so this video will show you how to quickly make a very well integrated short Google Slides presentation that looks professional. This also talks about learning analytics and data visualization. There's a link below where you can make a copy of this and just use this very single one yourself if you're interested. So to begin with, I'm going to just click on this. You see how when I select a slide it goes yellow. Command D will duplicate it. Command A, I'll get rid of everything. Now here's how I made that. I started off getting a shape. I draw it in here so it covers the whole entire slide all the way across. And later on I'll get into how to make this match the color scheme that you're working with. Make it a bit smaller. If I go over here to colors, I can just choose any color. I can get rid of the lines by making it transparent. Go over here now and add text box. I like to make this exactly as long as the screen because I'm going to center align it. That doesn't matter what I say. Select it all. Over here, I can put it in the middle and the center, like so. Then I can change it to bold, change it to something that stands out, maybe impact, maybe make it italicized, and then change the size. 36, that's maybe too big. Go with 30, say. And over here, if I've got kind of a dark background, I want to have contrast. I'm not going to go with the brightest white, make it easier on people's eyes. So now I can move this down so it's directly in the center. There it is. Now I can start adding my other text. Make it about half the size. And over here, if I want to, I can put it in bullet points like this. 3. Now you don't always want to have a whole bunch of text on these, but in this particular case, they're just talking points. I'm not going to put all of my talking points up there because I want people to be talking to me. This is just a way of organizing things. Over here, I'm going to change the size to 30. And over here again, I can space it out better. And then move it over to the center should I choose. Now, I want to add something here that backs this up. So I'm going to go over to images and upload a GIF that I made from my computer. There's all sorts of videos at the end that can teach you how to make things like this on your own as well. Move it around, make sure it's all nice and aligned. Make sure that I've got it spaced out well. There's another video at the end also with the CARP or CRAP principles of design, contrast, alignment, repetition, and proximity. There we go. Now this blue doesn't exactly match this blue. So if I go into the Keynote where I made that, if I select the blue bit here, and I go into style and the colors, in RGB sliders down here it gives me the exact code. So I can copy that. Now if I grab this blue here and I go to custom, I can put in the exact same code, tap, tap, and then paste it in. Okay, now it matches exactly. So now I've got a theme that works exactly the same way across it. For the rest of them, I simply just Command D, duplicate this one. I can put in different points now, like I have for this one here. So who's going to be doing all of this stuff? So if I want that, once again, I can just grab another picture. I'm going to just quickly show you Command Control Shift 4 lets me take a picture here. Let's say I was getting this from somewhere else. Another way of getting it in, I can just paste it right in there as well. And then again, I just mix it around. In the end, I don't like to put a lot of animations on here, but I will want to have slides that have transitions. Select one, go to transition. There's one over here that's dissolve. Whatever I choose, I chose dissolve, and then I can apply it to all slides. So then when I play it, it looks like this. And between every single one, you can see it's got the same fade. You don't want to have all kinds of different transitions. Once again, you can go to the description below and you will see a link that will let you copy this exact slide deck if you just want to use it on your own to help introduce learning analytics and data visualization at your school.
The world is a